friends, it has been a hot minute since I have posted on my YouTube channel, and I thought I would update you with the incredible things that are going on in my life. If you've been following along on my channel, you know that I went full-time van life in June of last year in my Dodge Grand Caravan, and then in October it got too cold up in Washington and I decided to throw my hands up in the air and see where the universe wanted me to go. So I drove and drove and drove, had no idea where I was going to end up, and found myself around a drum circle in the middle of the desert in Arizona and met my now partner, Cyrus. And it was unexpected and a total blessing, and I spent most of the winter and the spring hanging out with Cyrus, and then we moved into his apartment together. His lease was up in January and they upped the rent to another outrageous price, and it was just impossible for people to survive on the rental costs around here. So instead of putting more money into an apartment, we decided to take the leap and see what happens if we purchased an RV together. So now I am living full-time in our RV with Cyrus and our dog Toby, and I still have my van, and I plan to keep my van, and I plan to go on some little adventures in my van. So my van will be towed behind us, and yeah, we started our RV adventure by having a wonderful camp out with our friends from the drum circle at Lake Pleasant in Arizona, and we spent the weekend getting used to the RV lifestyle and the ins and outs and things like that. Lucky for me, Cyrus is not only an RV tech, but he's also a diesel mechanic. So he will be able to teach me how to drive this thing, how to fix this thing, and we will be making some videos to show you the repairs that he does, the things that we need to do to fix it up. It is a 2003 Monaco, so it's 20 years old, but it's in really great condition. We're excited to get this party started. So I thought I would just share that and let you know that I'm still out here, but we have some awesome things in store for us. We're not sure where we're going. We are going to throw our hands up and see where the universe takes us. So that's that. That's a little update from me, and I hope you say hello. I have missed talking to you. I hope that you are all doing well. Thank you for following along and subscribing. If you hit that little subscribe button, you'll be able to see our new RV updates as well as other van updates that I post and some of our adventures together. So thank you for following along and subscribing and following me on my journey. It just keeps growing and getting better and better and more beautiful and more amazing and more full of love. So I thought yeah, I thought I would say hi, and I'll see you soon. You know what time it is. It's time to dance. Stay weird, friend.